Hello everyone. Now it's maths time and we are doing multiplication chapter and almost it is completed. We had completed till exercise 4G. Now I am going to solve the exercise 4H. In this exercise all mixed problem solving sums are there. Here use addition, subtraction and multiplication and use the color box for your calculation. The space is given here. Here you have to write the sum and you can do calculation here. And afterward you have to write the answer here. First one, a shop sold 575 bicycles in 1 month. It is sold 127 more in the next month. So how many bicycles did it sell in the next month? एक महीने में शॉपकीपर ने 575 बाइसिकल्स बेची है और दूसरे महीने में उससे 127 बाइसिकल ज्यादा बेची है, तो टोटल कितनी बाइसिकल उन्होंने नेक्स्ट मंथ में बेची है. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट विल वी डू? वी हैव टू डू एडिशन ओनली. 575 plus 127 is equals to whatever the answer is there, that you have to write while you are doing calculation here, and afterward you will write the answer here. It sold whatever the answer in the next month. So you, like this you have to write the sentence for the answer. In second question, there are 15 shelves in the children's section of a library. If each shelf holds 8 books, how many books are there in all? So now this type of sum we had done in previous exercises also. So you can say that we have to do multiplication only. So you have to write 15 multiply by 8 and whatever the answer you got, you have to write there are dash books in all. Like this you have to write the answer. Now third one. Sanjay's lunch break is for 45 minutes. He uses 20 minutes to eat and 15 minutes to help a friend put up charts. How much time does he have left? Now see here, what will we do? First of all, he used how many minutes? For that, here two numbers are given. He uses 20 minutes to eat and 15 minutes to help. So first of all we will do addition of two number. 20 plus 15 is equals to 35. Okay, and for how much time the lunch break is? Lunch break is for 45 minutes, and from that minutes Sanjay had uses 35 minutes because we had done 20 plus 15. So 35 minutes he used. Now how many minutes are left? So for that 45 minus 35. 35 means 20 plus 15. So 45 minus 35 and the answer will be 10. So you can write here he has left 10 minutes. So like this you have to write the answer. Now next, G1 had 423 bookmarks. Aarti has 384 bookmarks. How many bookmarks do they both have in all? दोनों के पास कितने bookmarks है? तो it is very easy, and you also understood that you have to do addition for these two numbers. Then next, Sahil pasted 12 stamps on each page of his book. If he used 32 pages, how many stamps did he paste? So in this, what will we do first? Sahil pasted 12 stamps on each page of book. Okay, so we will do 32 pages and on each page 12 stamps. So first of all we will do multiplication. 32 multiplied by 12, and afterward how many stamps did he paste? So whatever the answer, that the answer you have to write, he pasted dash pages. Okay, so like this you have to do in this sum, multiplication only. And afterwards, last one, out of 150 seats in the theater, 128 are occupied. How many are empty? Total 150 सीट्स है, उसमें से 128 भर चुकी है, तो कितनी खाली है? Simple, it's very easy. You have to do 150 minus 128. Whatever the answer you got, you have to write dash seats are empty. Okay, and I hope all of you understood. And this is the game that you can play with your friend. Okay, and I think it in this game, if you need so many people or students, then whenever your friends are coming to you, you can play with your friends. Okay, now on the next page. Oh, that is the chapter checkup that all of you know that you have to do by yourself. Name the arrays. We had done about arrays. You have to revise your knowledge. Fill in the blanks. These are the multiplication, and these also multiplication sums. Now here find different ways to make the number in center. One is done for you. See here the number is written here 20, and there are means कितने नंबर से हम 20 आंसर ला सकते हैं, और in other way we can say in which table we got 20 answer. So for this here it is given, see the same numbers with same color it is given, means 10 to the 20. In these two pink balls are there, so 20 ones are 20, and here 4 5s are 20. Like this, here also you have to write, and that you will do by yourself. I will not tell you, I am just helping for the one number. If 24 is there, so I can remember you one only, 12 twos are. You can write here 12 and 2, and the answer will be 24. Now these other you have to write. Like this here 36 is given. So for the 36 you have to write one of them. I am telling you 9 fours are 36. One number I told you, other number you have to write. In which table you got the answer of 36, that you have to write. Now these are the problem sums. You just read it and try to do by yourself, and keep in touch. Plus addition and subtraction sums are there. So these also you can do in the textbook only. Only these problem sums you have to write in the notebook. Other questions are you can write in the textbook only. Now next page, worksheet is given. Now read these some facts about the moon are: the moon goes around the earth once in about 28 days. People weigh 6 times more on earth than they would on the moon. So these are the information about fact about moon, and some blanks are given here. So these you have to do by yourself. You can do it. I will send the answer in PDF, but first of all you will write the answer by yourself. And the next one, this is the activity for arrays. You can do it for your practice. It is very easy, and try to do by yourself. See these This is the array. That in array there are rows and columns that you know. Just for your remembrance, you have to practice it so you can do it very easily. Now here complete the multiplication table given below. Which rows have all even numbers? Even numbers means what? 1, 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the even numbers. And are there any rows with only odd numbers? एक भी रो ऐसी है कि जिसमें सिर्फ odd numbers है. You just have to do this. I will tell you the answer afterwards, and try to do by yourself. Okay, so I think here I'm going to complete this chapter of multiplication, and I hope all of you understood this. I will send the video as well as I will send the PDF for the answers also. But I wish first of all you complete your work by yourself and then only check your answers from the PDF files. So you can understood what is your doubt and what which point you don't understand, that you can ask me. Okay. So I hope all of you understood, and try to do by yourself, and of course write a table daily once in your notebook, in your rough book, so that you can do this chapter very easily. Thank you and have a nice day.